Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the 1992 Okamoto ACC-2040DX2 fully automatic hydraulic surface grinder. This machine is in a great condition. This machine has a 40 inches by 20 inches capacity on it. The machine has automatic plunge. It has an automatic dresser on the top. So overall, this machine is in a great condition. So now we're gonna give you the demo. Yes, sir. So the spindle is started, hydraulics are started. We're gonna show you, we're gonna make a small part on the surface grinder. First, we're gonna show you the dresser, the automatic dresser on it. Now we're going to show you to grind some jaws for the Y's, to show you the demo on the machine in a fully automatic mode. The machine is running on a fully automatic mode right now. We are grinding some jaws for the vices. Once the cut is complete, it's gonna do an automatic plunge, automatic down increment. Okay. As you can see, automatic down increment going on. This machine is in a beautiful condition. machine is running on a fully automatic mode right now. So is it gonna stop?
Right now it's going to go into fine grain allowance of 1.
What do you call this?
This is the fine grain, so
Okay.
for your finished passes we're leaving 1. And then we're going to come down and take 0.00005
And then it's gonna spark up.
until it goes into spark out, and we're doing 1 spark out.
Got it. Okay. So right now is going at a fine, what do you call that?
Fine grain.
Fine grain cutting on the grinder right now. As you can see right now, the fine grain grinding going on.
Zero, do 1 more pass, and then it'll just work.
Perfect. Is it spark out going on? Okay, so spark out grinding going on right now. Automatic retract, and it's going to park the table. Right, that's parked the table. This machine is in immaculate condition. As you can see in the video, the machine runs great. It's in excellent condition. We're going to show you how it grounded the pod. Immaculate condition. The machine is in a great condition. It can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. The machine has 20 by 40 inches electronic magnetic chuck on it. It's fully automatic. It has a coolant filtration system that goes with the machine. It has a spindle chiller. It's in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. As I said, the machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.